What if the way you're using money right now is secretly slowing down your business? Not because you're doing something wrong, but because you're playing by rules that keep you stuck. In this video, you will learn two unique things: how smart business owners use money to grow faster. Number 1. They use money to create speed loops instead of just profit. Most business owners focus on profit first. They ask, how much did I make this month? Smart business owners ask a different question: how fast can money move through my business? Because speed creates growth, they design what you can call a money speed loop. Instead of holding cash or waiting for perfect margins, they intentionally move money faster between customers, products, and reinvestment. For example, they might accept slightly lower profit on the first sale just to get cash flowing quickly. That cash is then immediately reinvested into marketing, inventory, or customer acquisition again. The goal is not one big profit. The goal is multiple cycles of money moving fast. Think about it like this: if you make $10,000 with a 30% margin once, you earn $3,000. But if you cycle that same $10,000 3 times in the same period with a 20% margin each time, you could end up making more overall while growing faster. Speed beats margin when used correctly. They also shorten every delay. Faster payments from customers, faster delivery, faster follow-ups, faster reinvestment decisions. Even offering small discounts for upfront payments can increase cash velocity. The faster money comes in, the faster it goes back out into growth activities. This approach feels uncomfortable because it looks like you are making less per transaction. But in reality, you are building a system where money never sits idle. It keeps working, multiplying through movement. Over time, this creates a powerful effect. Competitors might have better margins, but they grow slower because their money is stuck. Smart business owners win because their money is constantly in motion. They are not just making money, they are accelerating it. And once that loop is built, growth becomes automatic, not forced. Number 2. They turn expenses into future control investments. Most people see expenses as something to reduce: rent, software, employees, marketing. The mindset is always, how can I spend less? Smart business owners flip this thinking. They ask, which expense gives me more control over my future? They intentionally spend money on things that reduce uncertainty and dependency later. For example, instead of relying only on paid ads, they invest in building their own audience. Email lists, content, brand, community, these are not quick return expenses, but over time, they reduce the need to constantly spend on ads. Another example is systems and automation. Hiring someone or setting up software might feel expensive today, but if it saves time, reduces errors, or allows you to scale without chaos, it gives you control. You are not stuck managing every small task. You can focus on growth decisions. They also invest in relationships, better suppliers, stronger partnerships, reliable team members. Sometimes they even pay slightly more to work with people who are consistent and trustworthy. Why? Because reliability reduces risk, and lower risk means smoother growth. This idea is powerful because it changes how you look at money going out. Instead of seeing it as lost, you see it as buying leverage and stability. Every dollar spent is either creating future freedom or creating future problems.